Ever pondered how far the oldest galaxy is from Earth? This question has sparked an enduring curiosity in the hearts of astronomers and researchers. The quest to find the oldest galaxy was not a walk in the park. It was a journey marked by immense challenges, the likes of which would make even the most seasoned explorers quiver. In the vast, seemingly endless expanse of the universe, pinpointing one particular galaxy is like finding a needle in a cosmic haystack. Add to this the limitations of technology. Despite the incredible advancements in space exploration, our tools are still woefully inadequate to fully comprehend the grand scale of the universe. Moreover, this endeavor required extensive research, countless hours of observation, and an immeasurable amount of patience. It wasn't just about having the right equipment, it was about harnessing the power of human ingenuity and determination. So the journey to discover the oldest galaxy was no easy task. It required a blend of dedication, innovation, and sheer perseverance. The quest led to an astonishing breakthrough. In the vast expanse of the cosmos, a thrilling discovery was made. A discovery that would radically reshape our understanding of the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope, our most advanced cosmic observer, played a pivotal role in this monumental discovery. This marvel of modern engineering was designed to peer into the farthest reaches of space, and it did just that, revealing the oldest galaxy ever observed by humans. The story of the discovery is as fascinating as the discovery itself. The dedicated team of scientists, astronomers, and engineers behind the James Webb Space Telescope had been tirelessly scanning the cosmos, seeking out celestial bodies from the earliest epochs of the universe. When the data started rolling in, it became evident that they had stumbled upon something extraordinary. Can you imagine the excitement, the exhilaration that filled the room when they realized what they had uncovered? A galaxy so ancient, so distant, it offered a glimpse into the universe as it was over 13 billion years ago. The sense of triumph was palpable. Each pixel of data beamed back from the telescope represented a piece of the cosmic puzzle that they had been yearning to solve. This triumphant discovery was not just a testament to the power of human curiosity and technological prowess. It was a significant step forward in our quest to understand the universe. The newfound galaxy represented a cosmic time capsule, offering insights into the early universe that were previously beyond our grasp. It was an opportunity to study the formation and evolution of galaxies, to probe the mysteries of dark matter and dark energy, and to ponder the fundamental questions of existence. The discovery of the oldest galaxy was not merely about adding another celestial body to our cosmic atlas. It was about deepening our understanding of how the universe came to be, about satisfying our innate desire to explore the unknown, and about pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. The discovery was a monumental achievement, a testament to human curiosity and a giant leap in our understanding of the cosmos. But just how far away is this ancient celestial body, you may ask? Well, let's dive into the methods scientists use to calculate these astronomical distances. It's not as simple as pulling out a tape measure, you know. They rely on observations of celestial objects and complex calculations that take into account the speed of light. Now brace yourself. The oldest galaxy ever detected by the James Webb Space Telescope is approximately 32 billion light-years away. Yes, you heard it right, 32 billion. This mind-boggling distance is so vast that it's hard for us to comprehend in our everyday lives. But here's the fascinating part. Because light takes time to travel, when we observe this distant galaxy, we're actually looking back in time. We see the galaxy as it was billions of years ago, giving us a glimpse into the early universe. So the oldest galaxy is not just far in terms of space, but also in time, giving us a peek into the universe's past. The discovery of the oldest galaxy is a story of human endeavor and cosmic wonder. Tracing the narrative of this incredible achievement, we see a tale of challenge and triumph. Scientists faced formidable obstacles, but the James Webb Space Telescope proved instrumental in overcoming these hurdles. This technological marvel peered into the depths of the cosmos, paving the way for an extraordinary find. The discovery of the oldest galaxy, a relic from the universe's infancy, was a victory of human curiosity and ingenuity. Yet, this triumph didn't come easy. It was a result of tireless dedication and unyielding perseverance. This galaxy, in its staggering remoteness, is a testament to the immensity of our universe. It lies at an incredible distance from Earth, a reality that only underscores the magnitude of this achievement. In the quest to understand our universe, the discovery of the oldest galaxy stands as a beacon, reminding us of our capacity to explore and discover no matter the distance.